Welcome all. Today, we have an exciting question to solve from IBPS PO 2021 exam. We'll be unscrambling a sentence to find the correct word order. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Here's the sentence we need to unjumble. The role played by human rights organizations in documenting and questioning state component and excesses is a necessary functioning of civil society activism. It may look confusing at first, but let's take a systematic approach to solve it. First, let's remove the jumbled words and replace them with dashes to see the sentence structure clearly. It becomes, the role played by human rights organizations in dash, and questioning state dash, and excesses is a necessary dash of civil society activism. Now, let's consider the possible answers for each blank based on elimination. For the first blank, we can use either documenting or functioning. For the second blank, it could be component or functioning, and for the third blank, only component fits. Now that we have finalized component, for the third blank, we cannot use the same word in the second blank too. The second blank will thus take the word functioning. The first blank will automatically take documenting as the answer. Based on our deduction, the unscrambled sentence would be, the role played by human rights organizations in documenting and questioning state functioning and excesses is a necessary component of civil society activism. Is this unscrambled sentence meaningful? Yes, it is. The correct order therefore would be A, C, B. And there you have it. By carefully considering the meaning and logic of the sentence, we successfully determined the correct word order. Remember, even if you're not familiar with these specific words, you can still use the same approach to solve similar questions. It's all about analyzing the options and making logical choices. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more language-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.